Waders are essential waterproof gear for outdoor enthusiasts, designed to keep you dry while wading through water. Ideal for fishing, hunting, and waterfowl activities, they offer full-body protection with durable, flexible materials. Available in various styles and insulation options, waders ensure comfort and warmth in challenging wet conditions. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 7. Foxelli Nylon Chest Waders are durable, comfortable, and designed for anglers, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable waterproof protection in rugged environments. Made with high-quality, lightweight nylon material, these waders are built to withstand harsh conditions while remaining flexible for easy movement. The 100% waterproof design ensures that you stay dry, even when wading in deep water, while the durable PVC boots offer excellent traction and stability on slippery surfaces. The Foxelli chest waders feature adjustable suspenders and a waist belt, allowing for a customized fit that maximizes comfort and ease of wear during long days in the field. The reinforced knee pads provide extra protection, making them ideal for navigating through tough, rocky terrain. Additionally, the waders are equipped with a chest pocket for storing small essentials, such as tackle or tools. Lightweight yet robust, the Foxelli nylon chest waders provide exceptional performance and comfort for any outdoor adventure that requires dependable waterproof gear. Number 6. TIDEWE chest waders are designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and anglers who require reliable waterproof protection in rugged and wet environments. Constructed with durable, 100% waterproof 4 neoprene, these waders are designed to keep you dry and comfortable, even in deep water or harsh conditions. The material is both lightweight and flexible, providing a full range of motion, while the reinforced knees offer extra durability for traversing rocky or uneven terrain. The TIDEWE chest waders are equipped with adjustable shoulder straps and a waist belt for a customizable fit, ensuring comfort during extended wear. The boots are made from high-quality rubber, providing excellent traction and stability on slippery surfaces, and the contoured fit ensures a secure, snug feel. A built-in chest pocket offers convenient storage for small essentials like tools or tackle, keeping everything within reach. Perfect for hunting, fishing, or working in wet conditions, the TIDEWE chest waders combine reliability, comfort, and durability for all your outdoor adventures. Number 5. Lacrosse Men's Aero Elite 1500G waders are built for serious hunters and anglers who demand the highest performance in extreme conditions. Constructed with durable, high-quality neoprene, these waders feature 1,500 grams of Thinsulate Ultra insulation, providing exceptional warmth and comfort, even in the coldest temperatures. The Aero Elite 1500G waders are designed to keep you dry, with a fully waterproof construction that ensures reliable protection from water, mud, and cold. The neoprene material is flexible and lightweight, offering superior mobility while maintaining durability, and the reinforced knees provide extra protection for tough terrains. Equipped with a full-length zipper for easy on and off, these waders also feature adjustable straps, allowing for a customized, secure fit. The boots are made from a rugged rubber compound that delivers excellent traction, stability, and comfort even on slippery surfaces. With the Lacrosse Aero Elite 1500G waders, you get the perfect balance of insulation, durability, and mobility, making them ideal for long days in the field or on the water. Number 4. FROGG TOGGS Men's Grand Refuge 2.0 Chest Wader is a premium choice for hunters, anglers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need durable, high-performance waterproof protection. Constructed from a lightweight, breathable, and flexible nylon material, these waders are designed to keep you dry and comfortable, even during long hours in the water. Featuring a 3.5 neoprene boot foot with excellent insulation, the Grand Refuge 2.0 waders provide warmth in cold conditions while ensuring flexibility for maximum mobility. The adjustable suspenders and waist belt offer a customizable fit, while the heavy-duty, reinforced knees and seat provide extra durability for tough, rocky environments. The waders also include a spacious chest pocket with a waterproof zipper, offering convenient storage for small essentials like tackle or tools. Additionally, the boots are equipped with a slip-resistant sole, providing excellent traction on slippery surfaces. Perfect for extended outdoor activities in challenging conditions, the FROGG TOGGS Grand Refuge 2.0 Chest Water combines comfort, durability, and versatility, ensuring you stay dry, warm, and secure on your adventures. Number 3. SIMS Freestone Stocking Foot Waders are an exceptional choice for anglers seeking comfort, durability, and performance in a lightweight design. Made with SIMS innovative terray fabric, these waders are built to withstand harsh conditions while providing flexibility and breathability. The stocking foot design allows for a customized fit with a range of different boots, providing versatility and comfort during long days on the water. The waders feature a durable, waterproof construction, ensuring you stay dry even in deep water or wet conditions. The reinforced knees offer extra protection when navigating rocky or rugged terrain, while the anatomically designed padded suspenders provide added comfort and reduce fatigue during extended wear. The Freestone waders also include a large, accessible chest pocket for storing essentials such as tackle, tools, or your phone, keeping everything within easy reach. With an emphasis on mobility, protection, and practicality, the SIMS Freestone Stocking Foot Waders are an ideal choice for anglers who demand high-quality gear that delivers top-tier performance and comfort in any environment. Number 2. Hodgman Aces Sonic Stocking Foot Water is a high-performance, versatile water designed for anglers who require durability, comfort, and mobility in demanding conditions. Constructed with a combination of lightweight, breathable, and waterproof materials, these waders provide exceptional comfort while keeping you dry during long fishing sessions. The Sonic Weld seam technology ensures durability and enhances waterproofing, eliminating traditional stitching for a more seamless design that reduces wear and tear. The stocking foot design offers a more customizable fit with various boots, providing flexibility and comfort, while the ergonomic, fully adjustable suspenders allow for a personalized, secure fit. The ASIS Sonic Water features a waterproof, zippered chest pocket, perfect for storing small gear or essentials, as well as reinforced knees for added protection against rocky or rough terrain. The water's breathable fabric helps reduce overheating, making it ideal for a range of conditions. Whether you're casting in cool streams or wading through ponds, the Hodgman ASIS Sonic Stocking Foot Water combines performance, comfort, and durability for any angler. Number 1. Piscine Breathable Chest Waders are designed for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize comfort, flexibility, and durability during extended outdoor activities. Constructed with lightweight, breathable fabric, these waders allow for superior ventilation and moisture control, preventing overheating during warm weather while keeping you dry and comfortable. The waterproof design ensures full protection from water, allowing you to wade into deeper streams, rivers, or ponds with confidence. Featuring a stocking foot design, the waders offer a customizable fit with a variety of boots, providing additional comfort and support throughout your adventure. The adjustable suspenders and waist belt allow for a secure, personalized fit, while the reinforced knees offer added durability and protection when navigating rocky or uneven terrain. The Piscine Breathable Chest Waders also come with a large, accessible chest pocket for storing fishing accessories, tools, or small essentials. Whether you're fly fishing, hunting, or exploring, these waders deliver reliable performance and comfort, making them a great choice for anyone looking for quality outdoor gear.